Hello everyone, we're gonna do experiment 5 on surface tension. We're gonna measure how hard the liquid containing water mostly is gonna attract this ring. Okay, to measure the force, we're gonna first have to measure the spring constant. The spring constant is set up like this. We have a plate like right here, and then we're gonna put some weight on it. We're gonna see how much further this thing moves around. Basically, we're gonna use the edge of the plate as a marker, and then we're gonna put some weight on it, 1 gram each, and then we're gonna see how far down it's gonna go. Once you put some weight on it, we're gonna try to measure how far down, as I said before. For example, like this, and you read the scale, and then you subtract them. Once you have all the information about extension and the force required, we're going to turn the weight in grams into Newton, and we're going to plot the curve, and we're going to try to find the slope. The slope is the spring constant in some unit, and eventually we're going to turn it into Newton per meter. I have the setup for the second part of the experiment, which we're going to try to measure how much force is going to try to attract the ring. You have to measure the diameter, the inner diameter and the outer diameter of the ring, and then you average them out, and eventually you will find the length of the boundary of the liquid surface and the ring itself. And then you hang it like this. Make sure the ring is horizontal, and then you try to measure first the initial position of the ring, which has something to do with only the weight due to gravity. And the second part, we're gonna raise this platform up a little bit, make sure that the whole ring is immersed into water, and then we're gonna drag it down. Now we're gonna bring it down slowly and see how low it can go. You don't have to hurry, but you know, you can go very fast at the beginning. Once the liquid seems to lose control of the ring, you can go a lot more slowly. Anyway, the scale is gonna, you know, be brought down to measure the lowest position, as you can see. Okay, now we are almost there. We can see there is a thin film of water forming. Make sure we pay attention only to the ring itself. We don't care about the surface of the water. So once you can feel that the ring is not going down anymore, you can stop. Or maybe you can wait until it loses all the contact like this. Now we are at the final point we want. We can calculate the extension needed for this process to happen. And then we can use that number in conjunction with the spring constant we obtained earlier to calculate the force due to surface tension. And we can use that to calculate surface tension. And before we do all that, we're gonna get another liquid sample and then do the same. Okay? Good luck, everyone.